Data mining, a BI analytics tool used to explore large amounts of data for hidden patterns to predict future trends and behaviors for use in decision making. Used appropriately, data mining tools enable organizations to make predictions about what will happen so that managers can be proactive in capitalizing on opportunities and avoiding potential problems. So among three most commonly used data mining techniques are association analysis. It is a specialized set of algorithms sorts through data and forms statistical rules about relationships among the items. Neural computing, it is a historical data that is examined for patterns that are then used to make predictions. And case-based reasoning, it is the historical if, then, else cases are used for recognized patterns. So next we have the cross-industry process for data mining or the CRISP-DM. It is a six-phase structured approach for the planning and execution of data mining project. So kanisa is a well-proven methodology, and although it was first conceived in 1999, nagpabilin gyapon siyang most widely used methodology para sa mga data mining projects. So the goal for each step of the process are summarized. So mauna ri ang makita sa picture dito sa kilid, which we can see is the business understanding, then the data understanding, then the data preparation, then modeling, evaluation, deployment, and just nga is na diha ang database. So kani nga mga six-phase structured, muna siya ang mga approach nga gamiton for planning and execution of data mining project. So in this table, we can see that the goals for each phase of CRISP-DM, the phase business understanding, its goal is to clarify the business goal for the data mining project, convert the goals into a predictive analysis problem, and design a project plan to accomplish these objectives. In data understanding, they gather data to be used that may involve multiple sources, become familiar with the data, and identify any data quality problems like lack of data, missing data, data needs adjustment, etc. that must be addressed. In the phase of data preparation, we need the goal to select a subset of data to be used, clean data to address quality issues, and transform data into forms suitable for analysis. For the phase modeling, we have to apply selected modeling techniques. For evaluation, assess if the model achieves business goals. Deployment, to deploy the model into the organization's decision-making process. So here are a few examples showing how data mining can be used. So first we see here is based on past responses to promotional mailings, identify those consumers most likely to take advantage of future mailings. Then we have examine retail sales data to identify seemingly unrelated products that are frequently purchased together. Next, monitor credit card transactions to identify likely fraudulent requests for authorization. Then use hotel booking data to adjust room rates so as to maximize revenue. Analyze demographic data and behavior data about potential customers to identify those who would be the most profitable customers to recruit. Then we have to study demographic data and the characteristic of an organization's most valuable employees to help focus future recruiting efforts. And last is to recognize how changes in the individual's DNA sequence affect the risk of developing common diseases such as Alzheimer's or cancer. So next we have the dashboards. To define dashboards, dashboard is the measures are metrics that track progress in executing chosen strategies to attain organizational objectives and goals. So this metrics kay makatawag po ta ini og key performance indicators, or which we can say the KPIs, and consist of a direction measure, target, and time frame. To enable comparison over different time periods, it is also important to define the KPIs and to use the same definition from year to year. So over time, some existing KPIs may be dropped and new ones added as the organization changes its objectives and goals. So obviously, just as different organizations have different goals, various organizations will have different KPIs or key performance indicators. Key performance indicator is a metric that tracks progress in executing chosen strategies to attain organizational objectives and goals and consists of a direction, measure, target, and time frame. So a dashboard presents a set of KPIs about the state of process at a specific point in time. So dashboards provide rapid access to information in an easy to interpret and concise manner, which helps organization run more effectively and efficiently. So mo ni ang picture nga ipakita sa dashboard, the category management dashboard. So makita nimo diri nga nag-present siya og set of KPIs. So about ni siya sa state of a process of a specific point in time. So kaning dashboard mag-provide ni siya og mga dali lang nga mga access na information nga dali ra pud siya ma-interpret nga makatabang sa organization para ilang run is more effective and efficient. So next we have self-service analytics. To define self-service analytics, it includes training, techniques, and processes that empower end user to work independently to access data from approved sources to perform their own analysis using an endorsed set of tools. So self-service analytics empowers end user to work independently. So a number of measures must be in place to ensure an effective self-service analytics program and to reduce the risk of invalid analysis leading to poor decisions. So sabotable naman siya no. So no need na kay explain. So mo next na ta. So here in table 9.2, widely used BI software. So here in table 9.2, this is the widely used BI information. So just see this picture and you can see the different kinds of vendors, the different kinds of products, and the descriptions of each products. So why do you think data management is important? So the importance of data management is that modern data management requires true balancing act between enabling self-service analysis and protecting sensitive business information. So as you can see here in the picture, na dari ang balance nga representation sa self-service analytics and protecting sensitive business information. Sa next table, we can see the pros and cons associated with self-service business intelligence and analytics. So the pros, we have gets valuable data into the hands of the people who need it the most, which is the end users. But cons, if not well managed, it can create the risk of erroneous analysis and reporting, leading to potential damaging decisions within an organization. Another pros encourages non-technical end user to make decisions based on facts and analysis rather than intuition. But ang cons is different analysis can yield to inconsistent conclusions, resulting in wasted time trying to explain the difference. Self-service analytics can also result in proliferating data islands with duplications of time and money spent on analysis. Next is the accelerates and improves decision making, but the cons is that can lead to overspending on unapproved data sources and business analytics tools. And the business people can use the data they need for decision making without having to go to technology experts each time they have the new questions, thus filling the gap caused by a shortage of trained data scientists. So this can also, the cons of this can exacerbate problems by removing the checks and balances on data preparation and use. Without strong data governance, organizations can end up with lots of silos of information, bad analysis, and extra cost.
So, to wrap everything up, the main goal of business intelligence and analytics is to help organizations make better decisions. By using different tools, methods, businesses can turn data into useful insights. Data scientists play a key role in this process. They combine strong business knowledge with the ability to analyze data to find valuable insights. So, for a business to benefit from business intelligence and analytics, it needs good data management talented data scientists, and a commitment to making decisions based on data. So, there are many tools available to help with business intelligence and analytics, such as spreadsheets, which is useful for creating reports and graphs and for running what if scenarios. So, next is reporting tools. It as well help present data in easy to read formats like charts and graphs. Next is data visualization, shows data in a pictorial format, making it easier to spot patterns. Next one will be the OLAP, which is online analytical processing, which allows for analyzing data from different angles. And we have drill down analysis that lets users look deeper into summary for more details. Next one will be the simple linear regression, which predicts values based on the relationship between two variables. Data mining that finds hidden patterns in large sets of data that predict future trends. Then lastly is the dashboard that shows the key performance indicators, which is the KPIs at a glance. And we have self-service analytics that is also important. It means training in tools are provided so that anyone in the organization can analyze data in their own, leading to faster and more widespread insights. In short, with the right tools, skilled people, and a focus on data driven decisions, organizations can make the most of their data and improve their operations. So, everyone, thank you for your time, and we hope these insights help you gain new knowledge and help you with your business in the future.